Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align to spread in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to align to spread. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you can see here a document. Then we want to align. Go to the window menu and select the text and table tool and enable the character. Now I click the text box and you can see here the paragraph. Now I click the align drop down menu and here the align to spread option. Now I make the align left. You can make align center or right or the top and the bottom and middle. Now I make center and bottom middle. Now you can see we may align the spread in Adobe InDesign software very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.